Experience the wonderful world of massage in our cozy sanctuary located in the basement of Gaisano Kabankalan City. With the compassion and skill of our therapists, we guarantee to provide the ultimate relaxation for your body and mind. Various types of massages, such as shiatsu and Swedish combination, are ready to bring comfort and relief to your muscles and thoughts. Join us in our special place at the lower ground floor of Gaisano Kabankalan City and let our team provide you with an unforgettable massage experience. After a tiring day, it is only fitting to treat yourself to the gift of relaxation. Embrace the unique serenity and comfort by visiting our massage clinic at SIRAH Blind Massage in Gaisano Kabankalan City, in the basement. We are determined to prove that even in the basement, we are capable of providing a quality, comfortable, and enjoyable massage that will bring joy to your bodies and hearts.